It's July. Hey man, what's good YouTube? I got y'all with another video, man. We got the same channel again. We got Street Science, Texas. We got 20 minutes of the wildest street racing, the 2023 near wrecks, cops, and the insane three-way racing. Hey man, I appreciate y'all watching the video. Make sure y'all subscribe. Make sure y'all turn the noise on. Make sure y'all share the video. Jesus Christ is the way, the truth, and the life. And let's get to the video, y'all. Best content, best quality. Let's get to it. Man, this is what I love to see. I'm gonna get into car content, y'all. Well, reaction-wise, and if y'all want me to keep or want me to do more reactions to these, comment down below and or like the video. I'll do more. This is Mexico. Twin turbo Mustang versus big turbo Supra. Whoa! Oh, that was hella close. Damn. Oh, damn. Good thing they fully wrecked something like that. Good thing he's good. Damn, he was ready to take off. He pressed that shit hard and then he probably lost control and shit. Good thing he's good though. Yeah, I fuck with that car right there, the white one. That car versus the Mustang. I believe so. I'm not into cars like that, but when I see a sexy car on the outside, I say that shit. 1300 horsepower Midnight Mustang versus 1300 horsepower Sequential Supra. Whoa! Oh, the first one got the win. Yep. Mustang won. Damn, that shit took off. Oh, they got a thing right there. Oh yeah, that was definitely going like 190 or something like that. At least 200, 220. We got the Mustang, yep, Hellcat, or Charger, not Challenger, yeah, Challenger. That's what I'm saying. I'm still trying to get into my cars and stuff like that. Hey, the Challenger looks sexy though. The Hellcat, yeah. 1, 2, 3, come on. Then we got the Hellcat. Oh, it's real close. Oh, never mind. Yeah, the Hellcat took that shit. Yep, and never mind. The car's kind of coming back. It's kind of close. Oh yeah, the first one won. Yep. Unless the car was ahead of me. Yeah, the first one won.
I mean, turbocharged.
Then what's that car ahead of us with the lights? That's a Corvette? And a Mustang? Yeah. Yeah, after this I'm going to sleep. I'm going to La La Land. On my fault. It's like 4 o'clock in the morning, bro. I'm dedicated to this grind shit, bro. Alright, we got the AWD K20 turbo hatch versus a 1000 horsepower Pro Charge C6 versus a 1000 horsepower TT 5.0. This is a three-way race type shit. I low-key got the second one, the Pro Charge C6. And that must have took off. Oh, the first and second one now. Damn, they moving.
Dude, I almost had you.
Man, that shout out to Fast and Furious, one of the best movie series of all time. Rest in peace, Paul Walker. Damn! Maybe I'm glazing too much. My fault. Ah, fuck. Illest TT Mustang versus MCR TT Mustang SBE battle. So this is brother on brother crime or race. Both Mustangs. I got the first one, the black one. Oh, oh, his tire gave out. Oh, and there was a car ahead of him. That's a truck. Damn. Nah, that's crazy, bro. That's in Mexico too. That's crazy. We got it pulled over. Well, obviously. we got the vet and the vet, 2 vets. Oh, how many vets are there? I saw 4 of them. Oh my gosh, 1,000 horsepower Poppy ZR1 versus 1,000 horsepower Grandmaster ZR1. Alright, I got the red one because my favorite color is red. I don't give a fuck, so I'm gonna go with red. Damn, that other car took off.
Hello, motherfucker.
Hello, motherfucker. Damn, that other car is gone, bro. Damn. And they give him a head start. And he basically just said, your car's ass, my car better. That's what he said. Basically. Damn, I was completely wrong. Whoa, he's just doing 180. Oh, he topped 187.
The following video was recorded on a closed airstrip in Mexico.
Oh, they were the cartel is? For real?
1, 2, 3.
Whoa. First car got the win. Oh, look, that car's gonna keep coming back. Low key. Oh, yeah, the other car won. Damn, they going almost 200? Whoa. That's the first time I've seen that shit in the video. 200 miles per hour. That's crazy. And we got the vets. We got the vet, Camaro, Mustang, and then we got something else back there. Ooh, this is the shit that I like to see right here. We got the Cadillac CTS-V, I believe so. I mean, if I was an owner, I would probably remove the rims and probably change it with something else. But besides this shit is sexy as hell, bro. Maybe some headlights at the bottom and some shit, and the lights on the inside of the car. That shit would be fire. I got a 2017 Cadillac XCS. Shout out to the Cadillac family. If you own a Cadillac, comment down below. Oh yeah, just cause I'm gonna go with the CTS-V, I gotta go with the Cadillac family.
Ready?
Come on, Cadillac.
1, 2, 3.
Come on. Let's fucking go. Let's fucking go. Let's fucking go. That car's so sexy. Oh my gosh, bro. Yeah, you got the vet. Oh, fuck. Oh, they in Dallas now? Oh, yeah, the first car won. Yeah. Oh, shit. Oh, man, they better go on a high-speed chase.
Now, what do you do next?
Floor it.
Yes.
off.
No, don't floor it.
Floor it.
No, don't floor it.
Okay, floor it.
They ain't chasing them? I'm surprised. They going 162 right now. Maybe a little bit more now because they taking off. What car? Oh, that's a Corvette. We got the vet again. Oh, this is a 4-way vet race. I don't know who to pick right here. I'm gonna just see a good race right here. I don't even got nobody. Oh, there's 3 of them? Never mind.
Ready? 1, 2.
This looking close. Damn, that second one got smoked. Yeah, that second one low-key gave out. Yeah, that third one won. I don't know what that is, but that shit probably fast as hell. I'm not gonna underestimate that car. I'm not gonna talk shit. Can't judge a book by his cover. And we got the Mustang. Type shit. I got the first one. Fuck it.
Are you ready?
This shit close. Really?
Mix, match,
But
or happy.
watch him out.
again.
Press back 5 seconds. It's gonna go back to an ad. Watch. I guarantee it. Watch. Never mind. He just does that shit all the time. Okay, we got a close race. Whoa. Oh yeah. The Mustang won. I was just trying to be different. I ain't gonna lie. And they going 156. This is at Henry Rugg speed. And we got the vet and the Mustang. Damn, that white car took off. Or the Corvette. Oh, he's okay coming back. He's okay coming back. Woo! Damn. Bro, I saw like Ric Flair right there. Oh, that's Loki. Well, messed up right there. Kenny Loki came back. Yeah, he did. And that's a W bounce back though. Yeah, shout out to the Mustang. We got a BMW in the other car versus another Mustang. BMW versus Mustang. Let's see what this shit's about. Ah. 1,000 horsepower TT 5.0 versus 800 horsepower 6870 M34i. Uh-oh. The BMW got the lead right now. Yeah, the Mustang gotta come back. Yeah, the Mustang won. Yeah, that was a cool race. Give y'all props to that. Oh, we got the Corvette from the outside. And we got this one. Is this shit photoshopped? What the fuck? Whoa, they both fast as fuck. Damn. Hey, the second car got that sleeper build. Damn. How fast is it going? I really can't see. It says I don't know. We got another Corvette. Hey, how many Corvettes are there? You gotta switch it up. Ah, shit. That was a different one. Oh, we got the Mustang. Vet versus Mustang. I'm gonna go with the Mustang. Nah, I got the Corvette. I'm gonna take that back. Ooh, this is close. Oh, never mind. Yeah, that car just... Oh, Loki coming back. Oh, never mind. That Corvette went fucking crazy. Damn. Oh yeah, that shit fucked up. That's why he lost. 174 top miles per hour. Oh, we got the Hellcat and the Mustang. I got the first car. Mustang. And I got the Hellcat. Yeah, that Hellcat is going crazy. I never mind. He got to lose. Never mind. Maybe. Yeah, he's easy. Yeah. My pick was wrong. I should win my first pick. Maybe got the Mustang, the Camaro, and then the CTSV. Man, that CTSV is so sexy. Oh my gosh, bro. I'm finna nut on that on my fault. Let's go CTSV. Let's go CTSV. Let's go CTSV. Let's go CTSV. CTSV, let's go Cadillac family. Let's fucking go. Hey, that car on the right is tough as hell. Oh, that's a Mustang. I forgot about that shit. I just low-key forgot that shit. That's an orange Corvette. I fuck with that. Hey, damn, them rims are sexy as hell with them stars and the shit. I fuck with it. Damn, how many races they gonna do? Man, they probably be racing all night and shit. Oh, they got the motorcycle and that shit too. Oh, that's my first time seeing this. Damn. Them two. Where's the other one at? Oh, never mind. Mustang again. And we got a Corvette. Mustang with the win. We got the Corvette. And everybody got the same car and shit. Oh, there's 3 people racing? Or 3 cars racing? 5? Damn. What, bro, what's that car brand called with the 4 circles? What is it called, bro? Oh, that's an Audi. I'm tripping. Yeah, Audi. How do I know that shit? I'm not even into cars like that. But, hey, I ain't gonna lie. If that Audi was red or black, I would get that shit. That shit looks sexy. We get the Corvette. So fast. Let's draw 1 versus AMP LT5C7Z06. I got the first one. And camera now. Yeah. Oh, Corvette keep coming back. Who's that car on the left? Damn. Oh, that's an Audi. Damn. Yeah, shout out to the Audi. But that camouflage Hellcat goes stupid, bro. What the hell? That shit is sexy as hell. If it was red though, it'd be different. Nah, I'm playing. Not really. TT Mustang versus a 100. I was about to say 1,000 horsepower Hellcat versus I'm about to say it again. 1,000 horsepower VMP GT 500. I got the car on the right. I'll go to the right. Never mind. Oh yeah. Oh, my prediction was wrong. Damn. Oh, he got a car wreck? Oh. Oh, that was close. I thought he got a wreck because he said airbags or something like that. Whatever it's called. When you get in a wreck and then that shit pops out, that'd be something about that. Fuck, I'm tired. This is like 3 in the morning. So fast 0-1, another 0-1. Damn, these cars moving. Oh, this is the closest one yet. Oh, never mind. That W cars. Number 2. That motorcycle moving. Hey, the first car won. The car is the first on the car right now. We got the Corvette versus that car on the left. I don't know what that is. Never mind. Damn. 2 minutes left with the video and ending with the ad. That's crazy. And we doing this in the freeway? Hell no. Nah, bro. They getting on the highway type shit. Or they on manual 3. Race right now? What's going on? Oh yeah, they got a race right now.
Are you ready?
Damn, that engine on crazy with a horsepower to it. Go too close. Oh yeah, yep. I'm never mind. First car one. Type shit. I fuck with it. Oh, there's another one. Girls gotta just get that shit. That horsepower shit go crazy. I'ma definitely get into cars for sure. Damn, that other car took off down there. Big Pickle, bro. I said Big Pickle. Big Pickle pause, bro. Big Pickle package Coyote pause versus Lethal 2650-01 versus Mercart TT Coyote. That Mustang took off. Whoa, that Mustang going crazy. Yo, that's crazy as hell. Is that the end of the video? TXK24 footage coming this week type shit. I guess that's it. Let me watch this shit. I got the middle one, or the one to the left. Damn, that's got them shit beat. Hey, W video, man. Shout out to Street Science Texas. I appreciate y'all watching the video. Let me put on a CTSV back. That shit was. Maybe you wanna. Never mind, I'm not gonna say it. That shit's off guard. Yeah, we could put it right here. Hey man, I appreciate y'all watching the video. Make sure y'all subscribe. Make sure y'all turn the notifications. Make sure y'all share the video. Jesus Christ is the way, the truth, and the life. And I'm gonna see y'all next. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna see y'all in the next video. Love y'all. It's July.